We have seen a significant rise in the price of Bitcoin this week, all the way from this area of 26.2k to this very level. And this is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. What actually happened in this week of trading and what you should be expecting next week from Monday, and all that technical analysis on BTC, ETH, ADA, and MATIC. All of this and more into this analysis. If you are new to this channel, please help like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. And on the 1-day chart, the market opened on Monday at this very area, and we see a significant increase to the upside from this very price level of 26k, and market moved all the way to this very point of 27,300 during the week of trading. And right now market is at 26.9k as at the recording of this video. What this actually means is that there was an increase in the price of Bitcoin this week, and we are going to see the markets within this very area before they drop to the downside. In my yesterday analysis right here on this very channel, I talked to you about the fact that for markets to move upward, we should see the market break key levels. And this level of resistance is very important. The market have to move upward and break out of this very zone of resistance. If we did not see this breakout, then I am not expecting the market to move upward. Rather, pay attention to the market moving to the downside into this very area of support. And I also told you that if you look at this very point of support, from this very area was where the markets moved away from drastically in the past. That is, with this previous price action from here, market move all the way up and then come back down into the same point. And right now market move a little bit, failed to create a new high higher than the previous high at this very area, and the market come down, have not created a low yet, and the market is at this very point. You need to be very careful about the market right now, because the possibility of the market moving down is far way high compared to the market moving to the upside. I am not saying market cannot move to the upside. That possibility also exists. The market can move to the upside, but I am saying that for you to take a buy position or start looking for buy opportunity on the long run on Bitcoin, this level should break. That means the market should move here and break out of this level. That is when you should start looking for a buy opportunity on the 1-day chart. This is what you should be paying attention to, guys, and watch closely the way the markets approach this very level of resistance. On the MACD chart, if you look at it very well, the market is still forming on the positive side of the MACD with reduced momentum. This is an indication that markets have the capacity of moving to the upside, even though the momentum is not that huge than going downward according to the MACD, okay? But that is not what I am paying attention to, okay? In as much as the MACD is still saying that the market is going to move upward, I am looking at the market coming back to the downside, and I am not going to place any buy position on the 1-day chart except this level is broken, this level of resistance breakout, and market begin to move upward. Rather, I am looking at the market coming back into this level of support on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart Bitcoin, yesterday I talked to you about the market moving downward, in that you should pay attention to market coming back down. Look at this very area, guys. This very point is an important level of resistance. So markets at this very area of resistance and then come back to the downside, and market is at this point right now. That means market is going to go up a little bit. This is not the actual retracement I was talking about. The main retracement is going to come into the market at the end of this very move. So this is not the right time to buy. I am not expecting this market to move that much. So why are you buying when the market is not going to move that much from this area? So a little movement upward and then market will go back to the downside significantly before the next move upward. I told you to look at this very level of 26,400 and 26,300. This is where I am expecting the market to drop into before the next move to the upside. So pay attention to the market moving a little bit upward right now on the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, and then the market is going to come back to the downside to this very area for a good retracement before the next continuation to the upside on the 4-hour chart BTC. And on ETH chart, I also told you that market is going to retrace, and this is not the retracement I was talking about. The main retracement is going to come into the market after this very move. So market should move a little bit upward from here where the market is right now, a little move upward, then market is going to drop. So it's not the right time to buy. Rather, a short opportunity will be a nice thing to do from this very region of resistance. This is what you should be watching right now rather than buying the market. Why are you buying the market since the market has moved all the way from this area to this very point? Don't you think the market is going to retrace significantly and then begin to move upward? And furthermore, we are not in a bull market that the market is going to begin to move from this very area to the upside. We see this very thing happen in the bull market, but now we are in the bear market, and market cannot just move sporadically. So expect the market on ETH to move a little bit to the upside and then begin to drop right down. This is what you should be expecting, and watch out for shorting the market and not buying right now on ETH. And on the other chart, I told you that market is going to come down. Market actually come down right to this area, and then right now market is moving to the upside. Is it the right time to buy? No, never. Don't buy right here where the market is, because market is still going to move to the downside. So this market is going to move a little bit upward, okay, not creating a new high. I am not expecting a new high to be created at this very point. So market should move a little bit upward and then come back to the downside. So the main drop should happen after the end of this very move. And you can further zoom this out if you know how to do technicals very well on the 1-hour chart. So from here where the market is to this very area right here, market should drop back down. This is what you should be paying attention to in the market. So little move upward, don't buy. Instead, look for short opportunity when the market approach this level of resistance right here on the other chart. This is what you need to do and watch right now in the market. And on MATIC, you see the market, I told you yesterday that if you look at this area, market is going to move a little bit upward. On MATIC, if you watch this very video on the channel, you can find that out yourself. And markets do move and it's still moving a little bit upward. Don't buy the market on MATIC where it is. Market is going to come down. So I am expecting the market to come down from this very area where the market is right now, and this very area of 0.5328. From this very zone, market should come down on MATIC, good retracement into this very zone of support. So this very area of support is where the market will come down into before the next move upward, and it will be a nice idea to buy at this very point. So you wait for the market to give you a nice buy price. Okay, that means the market is giving you a discount before you can actually buy for the market to move upward. So wait, don't buy. The market is going to sell off, and then a nice buy opportunity is going to appear at this very area before you can now take a buy position on MATIC. I am also paying attention to this very zone of support on MATIC, because if the market break out of this level with a significant bearish candle downward, then this very zone of support will be the next place we are going to see the market drop into on MATIC 4-hour chart. So what do you think is going to happen on this chart, on the 4-hour chart BTC? Do you think this market is going to just move from here upward and break this level, creating a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point? Comment below in the comment section of this video. Or you think the market is going to go according to prediction down before that final movement. And If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. Say contact, reach out to me immediately for the trading course. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.